Hello children. Previously we have learnt about adjectives of quality. So today we will learn about adjectives of quantity and number. Let us start. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity tell us how much of a thing is intended. That means through adjectives of quantity we can understand how much of a thing is shown. I have given a list. These are some of the words which are treated as adjectives of quantity. Much, a little, some, any, enough, sufficient, whole, all, half, no. That means through all these small words it denotes the quantity of a thing. If I frame it into different sentences, how it will look, just have a look at the board. Number 1. He had much money. So here the word much relates to adjectives of quantity. The second one, he had a little food with him. Little food, denoting the quantity of food. He did not eat any bread. Any, not even a single piece. Half a loaf is better than no bread. Half. No. These are all quantities. He had enough bread and sufficient milk. Enough. Sufficient. He spent all the money. All. The whole thing. She ate the whole cake. The full quantity. So in all these sentences we can understand the concept that in case of adjectives of quantity, how much of a thing is denoted. Moving on to adjectives of number. Here it was depicted how much, and here it will depict how many or in what order. That means adjectives of number, the adjectives that show how many persons or things there are or in what order any of them stands are called adjectives of number. That means the words that will help to show how many persons are there or how many things are there or in what series or order they are placed. See the list. All, many, several, five, some, first, most, 10, like this. All men are mortal. That means here all will be related to adjectives of number. Many women were there. Many, showing the number of women. Some men are rich. The first boy owned the prize. First. That means in order. First, second, third, in series or order. Several men came to see the lion. Several, that means not single one, many, more than one. So in both cases, it is showing the numbers or quantity. In case of adjectives of number, it shows the quantity or the extent of the quantity to which it will be depicted in the sentence. And in case of adjectives of number, it shows how many or in what order the sentence goes or the words goes. Hope both the concepts are clear to you. I will come up with more types of adjectives in my upcoming videos. Thank you, children.